And then our last question is from David. Does a lot of silt get carried into the oceans?
Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, a lot of silt ends up filling up ponds, and then they go back to being swamps, right?
Yeah.
So kettle lakes, very common in New England, where a pocket of ice got buried over, and the glacier went on, and then as the glacier receded, that pocket melted and created what we call a kettle lake or a kettle pond. And those eventually fill back up with silt and organic matter from leaves and logs and trees, and they go back into a swamp. So nature is always in cycling. She's always working.
Yeah, which is needed. We always need that, and we want to help her work.
Yeah. Well, we need to do a lot of work to help work.
Just a little bit of work. Come on.
Just a smidge.